Alright, we're going to show you how to install the Easy Steer kit on the Cadet Ross steering gear assembly. First thing we're going to do is remove the jam nuts here with a 15/16 inch socket. There we go, loosened up. Spin the first one off. And the second one. Remove the original thrust washer. Turn our assembly over. Now's a good time to clean it out. I've already gone ahead, cleaned this one all up, so it's ready to go back together. Install the new thrust washer in the kit. Install the new thrust bearing that has been packed with grease. And install the new nylock jam nut included with the kit. Tighten it down and you're done.